What it is, what's up, what's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Marvin Francois, aka Money Marvin. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you why becoming a host on the platform TURO is the best side hustle for you to get into in the year 2022. But time is money and I'm not trying to waste any of yours, so without further ado, let's just get right into it. So why exactly is TURO the best side hustle for you to get into in the year 2022? Well, for starters, one of the main reasons why it's the best side hustle to get into is because of its low barrier to entry. Unlike other businesses where you probably need massive amounts of capital to get started, right? For things like advertising, marketing, inventory, location, and so much more, with TURO, you can literally get started just from using the car that you have sitting in your driveway right here, right now. I mean, think about how little you actually spend driving your car throughout the day, especially if you're like me and you work from home, right? Chances are, if that's the case, then you probably only use your car to go to the gym, to go and get groceries, and to drive by your ex's house on Thursday at 9 p.m. every single week when I ain't mean to put your business out there like that, big dog. That's my bad. That's my bad, big dog. I ain't even mean it. That just slipped. You know, sometimes I be talking, I be talking my talk and things slip out. That's not supposed to. I know that was a conversation me and you had off camera. I'm sorry. Let's get back to the video at hand. I'm sorry. But the fact of the matter remains that the car that you have right now more than likely spends majority of its time throughout the day being parked and unused. So instead of letting your car sit and collect dust, why don't you just put it on TURO to collect the bucks? You feel me? You feel me? And I know, I already know what most of y'all are thinking, but
Marv, what am I supposed to do if I don't have a car? Do I have to now go out and get a car? And if I do have to get a car, does this mean that I need to go get the Hellcat SRT 2025 in order for me to be successful on TURO?
And the answer to that is not necessarily. Eleanor, not necessarily. That's not the case, and let me explain to you why. One of the more popular misconceptions that exists when it comes to renting cars on TURO or becoming a host on TURO, is that you need the biggest, flashiest, fastest, most ridiculous car out there in order for you to make great money. And the fact of the matter is that's just not true. This is exactly why we talk about low barrier to entry, because if you take some time to do your due diligence and conduct some market research on the area that you live in to see what cars will perform the best on TURO, you may come to find out that you can possibly snag a car that's older and used to save yourself some coin while also bringing you a great return on your investment, which is great. And if that is in fact truly the case, then you can bypass having to go get the Hellcat 2025 SRT and you can find a car that could bring you great returns from places like used car dealerships or even Facebook Marketplace. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, you heard me correctly. I'm gonna say it again. You can even find cars on places like Facebook Marketplace to put on TURO to bring you some cara cash money. You get it? You got it? Good. The second reason why TURO is the best side hustle for you to get into in the year 2022 is because of how early it still is for that company and its growth potential. One reason why it's so hard for people to get started when it comes to TURO is because they see everybody else and their auntie, sisters, cousins, grandmother having success on the platform. And if you have a scarcity mindset, you would see that and automatically think to yourself like, oh man, it's too late. Oh man, I can't do it. It's too late for me to get into TURO. If I get in, everybody's gonna smoke me. Everybody's gonna dust me. There's no way I could come in here and make some good money. It's just too late, and that's wrong. As a matter of fact, that couldn't be farther from the truth because TURO was actually founded in June of 2010, which means that at the time of this recording, it has been around for a little over a decade from now, but it really didn't start to pick up until late 2019 going into early 2020, meaning that it still has a massive ceiling for growth potential. And on top of that, TURO actually follows a peer-to-peer business model similar to that we see taking place in the ever-growing space of Airbnb, and similar to the way that Airbnb is looking to leave big name hotel companies like the Hiltons and the Hamptons and the Four Seasons and all these other big names in the dust, is the same way that TURO is looking to do the same with a lot of big name car rental companies like Hertz and Enterprise and many, many others. So with that being said, if you had a thought, even a slivage of an imagination in your mind that it was too late for you to get started in TURO, I hope that I cleared that up for you and let you know that it's actually perfect timing, literally perfect timing right now for you to jump in the market. So that's what you need to do. Don't even finish watching this video. I'm gonna go join now. Like right now. Like, I don't even want you to finish. Like, if you finish watching this video and you don't become a TURO host, I'm gonna find out where you live and I'm gonna slap box you in your backyard, okay? Go sign up for TURO, go do it. And the third and probably biggest reason why TURO is the best side hustle for you to get into in the year 2022 is because of these systems. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, these systems. Now, fun fact, a lot of people know system to be a word, but it's also an acronym that stands for something much larger than just the word itself. The acronym SYSTEM actually stands for slap your sister, then eat mozzarella. Wait, hold on, no, I don't. Hold on. No, hold on. I'm going over my notes. Wrong video. That's not what it stands for. That's for a video I'm supposed. Oh, that's for next week's video. My bad. That's not. That's embarrassing. Apparently. Oh, no, sorry. System actually stands for save yourself time, energy, and money. So SYSTEM, save yourself time, energy, and money, which is exactly what a system is supposed to do. And when it comes to systems and when it comes to the resources that are available through TURO, this makes it one of the easiest side hustles for you to automate. For example, you can go and get a kill switch and a GPS tracking device to put on the car that you're gonna put on TURO, so that way you can monitor where the car is at all times. And also in the event that the rentee starts wilding with your vehicle, you can now shut the car off to protect your asset. I don't know about y'all, the tracking device is cool. I'm more of a kill switch guy because my tolerance is real low. Because if we in Atlanta, I see you trying to take my car to drive to Las Vegas. What? Oh, you think it's a game? Kill switch. 1, 2, 3. It's not a game. My cousin and them just called me. They said they see you drag racing through the streets with my car, with my whip, with my vehicle. Kill switch every single time. It's not a joke. It's not a game. I'm looking at the tracking device right now. All right, I'm looking at the tracking device right now. It's saying that you in the drive-thru for McDonald's, so you're gonna put a Big Mac and fries in my car, my asset, and my vehicle. You think it's sweet. You think it's sweet. It's actually sour. Kill switch right on your head top. It's not a game. It's not a joke. Oh, wait. Are you breathing? Are you breathing in my car? Hold on. No, let me talk. You breathing in my vehicle? You breathing in my whip? Okay. All right. Okay. Kill switch. Car done. Potty done. Yeah, it's not a game. It's not a joke. I ain't playing with you. Play with your grandmother. Don't play with me. On top of devices like kill switches and location tracking GPS devices, you could also get a lockbox. This is a device that allows you to put the key of the vehicle in a locked device that will stay at the window side of the car door, so that you don't have to physically be there to pick up and drop off the car at its location every single time. You could have that device so that you could automate that process for yourself to make the overall process of being a host much more seamless. This is one of the main reasons why I absolutely love the TURO side hustle for the year 2022, because it's one of the fewest side hustles that really doesn't seem all that much strenuous compared to a lot of the other ones that I've done research on. For example, if you follow me, then you may know about a gentleman by the name of Bia Heza, aka B Treasy. Shout out to him. If you know about me, you dang sure should know about him, because he has amazing content. But on his channel, he actually does a series where he breaks down different types of side hustles that you can get into to make money. And he's done videos showcasing side hustles like hanging lights, right? Christmas lights for people during Christmas time. He's done videos about, buying storage units at auctions and taking the items that are in there and then reselling them on the internet. He's done videos about him doing starting moving companies and things of that nature. And much respect to him and his hustle and his grind, and I'm sure all those things probably work for somebody else, but for me, hell no, I ain't doing all that. That's my work, bro. I ain't trying to do that, bro. Come on, it's side hustle. You're supposed to do it on the side. That's not side. That's an entree. I don't want to do that. It's too much work, bro. I ain't with it. Like, of all of those, if you see me outside somebody's house, on somebody's ladder, hanging up somebody's Christmas lights, if you see me, Marvin Francois, doing those things, this is what I want you to do. I want you to walk up to the ladder, take your shoes off, climb up the opposite side of the ladder that I'm not on, slap me with your bare feet. I deserve it. What am I doing out there? That's dangerous. I could break my neck. I'm too short to be climbing ladders and hanging things at extreme heights. Just slap me with your bare feet, then climb down the ladder and then walk away. Don't run, just walk away, because it don't make no sense. But that concludes it all for this video. I sincerely do hope I provided a lot of value, a lot of gems, and more importantly, a lot of information that you could take and translate into your day-to-day life to help create a new stream of income through this TURO side hustle in the year 2022. And if I did, I don't ask for much, but I do ask for this. Just take a second, take a minute, take an hour out of your day right here, right now, to just go ahead and slap that like button to show this video some love. It really helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm in terms of pushing a video out there so that more and more people can see it. But as always, I'm Marvin Francois. Y'all have been good. I've been great. This has been amazing. Thank you and God bless. Peace.